Hi friends, welcome to Manohar Finance channel. In the past couple of days, we have heard a lot about progress in AI tools like Cloud Coworks and how it impacts our Indian IT companies. When I heard this news first, a quick thought came into my mind. What are Indian IT companies doing to avoid these risks? What strategies are they following and how it is impacting their P&L? I immediately started analyzing their investor presentation documents. In this video, I'm going to discuss about these findings. It's very interesting video. You can have first mover advantage if you understand what these companies are doing. After the recent fallout of IT stocks, you will be able to find good stocks at their historical low valuations. Without any delay, let me jump into the video. Over the last 3 decades, the Indian IT industry thrived on linear arbitrage model, adding more headcount to drive revenue. That model is now irrevocably broken. When Anthropic announced its agentic AI tool, 2 lakh crore rupees of market capitalization got eroded in single trading session. This was not merely a reaction to a new product release, but acknowledge of an existential threat. The transformation from human in the loop argumentation to human on the loop autonomous execution. In this video, let's analyze Indian IT firms. On one side, we have firms like HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra leveraging engineering DNA and sovereign models. On the other hand, we have tech giants like TCS and Infosys undertaking massive organizational restructuring, shedding mid level management layers, and redefining roles to pivot from labor intensive services to outcome based AI platforms like Wisdom Next and Topaz. The financial signals are unambiguous. Revenue growth has decoupled from headcount addition. Sector witnessed revenue growth despite neutral or negative hiring. A defining characteristics of the 2025-2026 technology cycle is the stark divergence between upstream capital expenditure by the hyperscaler and downstream revenue realizations by Indian IT service integrators. Microsoft has committed $17.5 billion of investments to construct data centers and hyperscaler. Amazon Warehouse Services has outlined $35 billion to strengthen cloud capacity. Google is also investing $15 billion to establish largest AI hub. In spite of these investments, Indian IT firms have not seen revenue boom. They are witnessing digestion period. Clients are prioritizing investments in compute and licenses over services. Where services are required, they are demanding faster, cheaper delivery powered by AI tools. In the recent crash, investors realized that agentic AI attracts the core revenue model of the sector, time and material billing. If AI can perform tasks in minutes that previously took weeks, the billing hours disappear. This has deflationary impact on services revenue. TCS has adopted a strategy of aggregation and orchestras. TCS has launched AI Wisdom Next, a platform designed not to compete with LLM builders but to unify them. This model acts as a manager of managers, providing a single interface where businesses can compare models based on cost, performance, and latency using intelligence evaluator bots. These agents benchmark different Gen AI models in real time for specific tasks, allowing clients to arbitrage between models. Let's say, for example, using a cheaper model for summarizing and an expensive model for reasoning. They also introduced FinOps dashboard that tracks token consumption and API cost across the enterprise, addressing the bill shock. Centralized governance provides built-in guardrails for compliance, helps banking and healthcare clients navigate Indian DPDP Act and EU AI Act. Revenue increased 2% signaling stability in volatile market. Margins expanded 25.2%, demonstrating efficiency gains from workforce optimization. TCS lost historical premium valuation for the first time in 14 years. Its PE 22.7 has dipped below its peers like Infosys, which stands at 23.7, and HCL, which is 26.8. However, TCS has a strategic moat via Hypervault. They have $1 billion data center partnership moving to asset heavy custody. Infosys has adopted a more aggressive marketing led stance with its Infosys Topaz offering. It is positioning itself as the agentic AI partner of choice, focusing on maximizing productivity in legacy environments. Their core strategy is to make low margin fixed price contracts profitable via autonomous agents. They recently got $1.6 billion worth of contract from NHS. Infosys is using AI to streamline patient data processing and operational workforce. Post Q3 FY26, Infosys has emerged as technical and sentimental leader. We are seeing institution accumulation as well. Infosys is trading at 23.7 PE. It now commands a premium over TCS. Market has rewarded Infosys' proactive bet on agentic OA over TCS' conservative approach. Both TCS and Infosys has transformed workforce. TCS has moved away from pyramid structure to diamond structure. Pyramid structure relied heavily on freshers performing coding, testing, supervised by middle management. In diamond structure, entry level AI writes the basic code, fatter middle layer of AI engineers and architecture orchestrates these agents, and lead top layer of strategy leads. In Infosys, H1 to H5 framework is followed, wherein in H5, human essential orchestrators roles with maximum human judgment and minimal AI. Example, crisis management. In H4, human led amplifiers, human control with AI as toolkit. H3, collaborative partners, humans and AI working as equal partners. As part of H2, AI supervised specialist, high automation where humans handle only exception. In H1, AI driven, fully autonomous loop, largely non human activities are performed here. HCL Tech has successfully differentiated itself by leveraging its deep roots in engineering and R&D services, which is called as ERS. Complex engineering tasks like chip designing or avionics softwares are harder to fully automate. This strategy acts as a shield against BPO deflation. HCL has AI Forge platform. It is designed to accelerate the software development lifecycle rather than replacing it. It integrates Gemini, Cloud, and other models. It helps engineers generate code, automate testing, and migrate legacy systems. This platform charges consumption based fee for token usage. This shields from pure deflation of T&M billing, which we discussed earlier. HCL is arguably the best positioned Indian IT major to capitalize on the hardware boom. They have 25 years of experience in semiconductor industry. As the world demands more AI chips to run efficient models, HCL Tech's ability to design these chips places it in a high growth and high margin stream. It delivered strongest Q3 26 performance amongst all top tier 1 Indian IT players. It commands significant premium of 26.8 PE, confirming the market view of HCL as growth plus margin compounder. Wipro is in the middle of a difficult transformation. Under its AI 360 strategy, backed by a committed $1 billion investment, the firm is attempting to pivot from a delivery mindset to consulting mindset. They have Wipro Intelligence Suite, which aims to enable AI into every client engagement, moving beyond implementation to advisory. Wipro is placing heavy bet on its innovation lab, Lab 45, to generate proprietary IP that can be monetized. The Q3 26 profits highlights the cost of this pivot, whereby net profit is down by 7% year on year. When we come to Tech Mahindra has taken a unique path by focusing on Project Indus, an initiative to build a sovereign LLM model for Hindi and 37 plus Indian languages. This positions Tech Mahindra as the primary partner for Indian government and PSUs that require sovereign AI solutions with local data law. To target clients who want on-premises AI, they have Gen AI in a box model. Tech Mahindra is seeing a cyclical recovery aided by a bounce back in the telecom sector. We'll conclude this analysis by mapping these companies against asset heavy or asset light models or their focus on specialist or generalist role. If you have found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. It will motivate me in bringing such interesting topics to you. If you are working in any of these companies, please let me know your thoughts using comment section. Also, you can suggest me topics which you are interested using the comment section below. Thank you all for staying tuned till now. Hope you got to learn something new and interesting today.